Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Ripple has won again against the SEC, and now we can kind of say that the whole thing is finally, it looks like, over, and we can clearly say that XRP is not a security. I think this is very, very important. We can see XRP price going up today. Then we have Brazil. And Brazil's Security and Exchange Commission approves the first Solana-based ETF. So Solana ETF coming in Brazil. We have Dimon, who says it's most likely scenario that we're going to have a recession. So, well, this is a bit, skeptical view, but who knows? Maybe he's right. And then we have Michael Saylor, who personally is not counting MicroStrategy. He has leased $1 billion worth of Bitcoin portfolio. Guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So that's important, very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. And for start with the prices. Bitcoin is actually, well, tiny little bit up, 0.14% up in the last 24 hours, still above 57,000 US dollar with $220. On the other hand, Ethereum is tiny little bit down, less than 1%, 2,442 US dollars. Look, in a week, Ethereum still suffering, down 23%. Why? Bitcoin is just down 12%, so it's coming up quite nicely and holding itself right now. When we're looking at the top gainers, XRP, the first topic will be about it. It's leading, so 18% up. About Ton coin, 8% up. The reason, because Ton was now listed on Binance finally. And then we have BitTensor, about 7% up. And then when we looking at the losers, we have Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance. Man, it's still fat, okay? 28% down. Then we have Bread, 28% down, and Mantra, 16% down right now. And yeah, now let's move to the Bitcoin candlestick chart, and we can see that it's holding itself pretty well. We're still in this zone between these green lines right now. What I'm watching is this, 60,000-ish level. Is it going to break it through when it goes up, or we still, will be pushed back and then even go even further down? Who knows? Because, August is historically not the best month forever. Now, a lot of questions. The FOMC meeting with the possible rate cut, there are no emergency meetings, it's just coming probably in September, on the 18th of September, so it's still away. Right now. But right now, actually, the whole market is, again, quiet. No bigger dumps apart from this one, what we have seen at the beginning of the week. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic, it's all about XRP's win. Well, I feel this case was on forever. This is the reason why kind of Ripple XRP, missed the last bull run, because of this case and a lot of uncertainty. And the point was that the SEC was saying that XRP is a security. So they said it first because Ripple had the unregistered sales, ICOs, and therefore it is a security. Also, they said that Ripple is a security because the founders sold a lot of their own tokens. Well, the third one was that because it was sold on exchanges, on the secondary market. And yeah, we could agree that the last two, it wasn't in a play anymore. And yeah, well, it's not a security, but okay, the penalty what the SEC was asking for because it was an unregistered ICO. In this case, they were like guilty, but they asked for $2 billion, and now the judge said, okay, that's too much, and reduced it to $125 million. But with this, pretty much it's over. And if SEC doesn't want to jump back on the train and saying that, oh, we not agree or something like that, then this kind of case it's over. And it's very, very important what happened here. So you can like or hate, Ripple, XRP, but at the end of the day, here we have a great example. So it's not that easy anymore to go after the old coins after these wins. They have to go after them, individually. And this is, I think, very, very important. And now SEC, it's I'm not sure they want to move. Probably they're going to leave it as it is, because I mean, who knows? But even if Trump will win, Gary Gensler will lose his job on his Trump's first day. So I'm not sure that they would like to jump back on this train and continue to fight. It was a long, long thing, and even they kept losing in many points, and now even 2 billion was reduced to 125 million. It's a lot of money. So, but still much less. So therefore, we can see XRP now going up, and who knows, maybe XRP can now grow as well with the market, not like last time. Right, next topic, Solana ETF in Brazil. Well, we're having now, in the United States, we're having finally Bitcoin and Ethereum, spot Bitcoin ETF, so Ethereum and a Bitcoin one. But, people saying that which cryptocurrency could be the next spot ETF. And okay, even if US is not coming first, here we have Brazil, because Security and Exchange Commission approved a Solana-based ETF in Brazil. And, Solana-based ETF is a pre-operational stage. So it has yet to be approved by the Brazilian Stock Exchange B3. But, after that's happening, it's starting there. And guess what? Probably, if that continues, other countries could, join the game with the second altcoin ETF, which could be like Solana after Ethereum. And United States could come up as well, especially with this win of Ripple. Also, then the SEC dropped the charges against Binance. There were also a lot of altcoins in danger. Are they securities or not? So with this altcoin space is clearing up, they can get strong and could turn to spot ETFs worldwide in many countries, and US probably would be a very important one. Okay, next one. We have Jamie Dimon still worried about recession. So yesterday we could see a stock market going down, and it was kind of partly because Jamie Dimon says that he still sees a recession on the horizon. So JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon said that he still believes that the odds of the soft landing for the economy are around 35 to 40%, making a recession the most likely scenario in his mind. So, there are still worries in his mind, and as he is an influential figure in the space, definitely people listen to him. We as crypto people, we are a bit skeptical, I guess, in a way that he always says things in his favor, and then maybe then change his mind. But he said many bad things about Bitcoin. On the other hand, at the back, JP Morgan was still buying Bitcoin. So that's an interesting thing. Anyway, he's still worried about recession. And finally, you have Michael Saylor, who actually has probably more than $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, definitely a big Bitcoin fan, talking about Bitcoin worldwide, conferences and so on and so forth, many interviews. And basically, his company, MicroStrategy, has bought a lot of Bitcoin since. Their balance is 226,500 Bitcoin already. And the company has accumulated since August 2020. On the other hand, we have Michael Saylor personal Bitcoin owning, and in his words, I do have significant personal Bitcoin holdings. About 4 years ago, I tweeted that I had about 17,732 Bitcoin. I haven't sold any. I continue to acquire more Bitcoin. So who knows how many Bitcoin he has bought since. But this was a big chunk already back then, 4 years ago when he tweeted, and he said he still has that amount. And if you multiply it with the present Bitcoin price, which is 57,000 US dollar, then this amount is more than $1 billion US dollar just in Bitcoin for Michael Saylor. And yeah, he's keep buying. And because it was many years ago, probably he has much more Bitcoin by now. But at least this is what we know, because this is what he said publicly a couple of years ago. So that's the minimum what he owns. All right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. Every single day, you're getting a couple of short videos, and from Monday to Thursday, you're getting these longer videos with depth, meaning in getting into the news and so on and so forth. So if you would like to stay up to date, very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.